Boo Bear and Friends speech therapy learning videos.
Hey, I am Boo Bear. I want to learn how to make the W sound. We can go to my friend Harry Horse's house so he can show us.
Hey, Boo Bear.
Hey Harry Horse, I have a question. How do you make the sound for the letter W?
The letter W says W. To make the W sound, we need to use our lips. First, touch your top lip. Next, touch your bottom lip. Next, make a circle with your lips like this.
Now we can say the W sound 3 times. W, W, W.
Great job making the W sound, Boo Bear. Hey, Boo Bear. Did you know that we can use other sounds to help W say its name? We can use the long vowels A, E, O to help W say its name. Do you want to try it? You do? Let's go!
Yay! Let's practice saying the W sound with the long vowels. Wo, we, way. Let's sing a song about the letter W and the W sound.
Say the W sound, wah, 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 wah. It's easy to do, oh, wah, 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 wah. You can do it too, oh, wah, 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 wah. Say the W sound, wah, 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 wah. Make your lips go round, wah, 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 wah. It's easy to do, oh, wah, 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 wah. You can do it too, oh, wah, 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 wah. Say the W sound, wah, 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 wah. Make your lips go round, wah, 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 wah. Say the W sound, wah, 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 wah. Make sure to like and share and subscribe to our channel.